Hey, so I'm super excited about the scripture today because it's inspired me to get kind of crafty. And so if you decide to do this, you'll need a little extra this time. The scripture is, "The Lord is your keeper, the Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun shall not strike you by day, nor the moon by night." And that's Psalm 121, 5 and 6. And so that got me thinking, well, first it had me thinking of like the moon and, the sun and like the Dark Side of the Moon album. And then, anyway, so I just decided to go with moon vibes. And so what I'm going to do is, I had to use black. Got to get black paper. So you can use like construction paper, or even if it's not black, if it's just something other than white, because I want to cut out a moon to put over my background. That way, when I paint on the white, it'll look like a silhouette. And I've got this lid, my kitchen lid, and I'm just gonna, cut it out in the shape of a moon and glue it onto my black paper. So, and then I will, I think I'm gonna paint over the white, but we'll see how it goes. I'll show you when I'm done with my cutting out. Here's my moon that's been glued onto my paper, and I want to kind of make it not so white, so I'm just going to take a little water and spread it all over my paper. Yep. And that way I can get a little like blackness going in the moon, just little spots of it, and spread it out. Anyway, so I'm going to kind of do that all over so it looks more like a moon. Here's my moon now, and now I'm going to just do a silhouette of some flowers like in a field, I think, and just leave room at the bottom for my scripture. Here's my silhouette, and I just kind of Googled pictures of silhouette stuff with the moon, and I got this idea with the flowers and painted it in black. And I wrote my scripture in white at the bottom, but if you don't have white marker or white paint, you could just cut out a little piece and put it there and write it like regular. Okay, there's my finished product, and I'm really liking it. So anyway, y'all have a good day. Bye.